had to do it. I had to turn the AC back on. It is hot in here. It is humid in Cincinnati, and I can't. I'm starting to sweat. I'm starting to turn red, and I don't think Stitch Fix is going to appreciate me trying on these clothes if I'm sweaty. So, hi everyone, I'm Barbara. If you are new to my channel, I do a lot of unboxings, style boxes, lifestyle, do a little vlog here and there. I love to do reviews of new products, but we're gonna get started and open up my Stitch Fix. If you're new to Stitch Fix, the styling fee is $20. They send you 5 items. And if you keep all 5, you will receive a 25% discount. Now, if you only keep, less than 5, you pay the price and you will receive your styling fee back, which is $20. Now, a lot of us receive the Style Pass, which actually mine just renewed. So this box isn't costing me anything to receive it. Shipping is free. So, it's hit or miss, but you know what? It's hit or miss with all the boxes, all the styling boxes. So, I enjoy receiving them, and if I love it, I will purchase the item, and if I don't, it'll go back. It's simple as that. So let's get started. I'm going to show you the items real fast and then do a try on. This is kind of cute. It's black, but I like the detail on it. Oh, it's a little thin, but that's okay. I like it. We'll see what that looks like on. Well, this is a nice bright color. Let's see. Also, you do receive a sheet that gives you ideas on how to style your items. And honestly, I don't look at it. I just kind of, what I have. And just kind of go from there. This is a dress. This is nice. This is a really nice color. I love that. Oh, this feels thick. What is this? Aha, shorts. How big is the inseam? Oh, we have a problem with the inseam. This one looks a little longer. So I don't know. We'll see. I like the color. And they're the pull-on, which I actually like. And it has the pockets, which since there's slanted pockets, I probably will keep it. I mean, they are working pockets, but I'll keep it stitched up. No pockets on the back. So I hope they're long enough. I like at least a 5-inch inseam, but I prefer a 7-inch inseam. This is nice and light. Summary. We're going to be going to the beach soon, so this could be really pretty. Elastic wrist, looks like 3/4, pair of jeans. Oh, it's a skirt. Also a stitch. This is cute. I hope this fits. This is really cute. I like the distressing. I like the raw hem. Oh, I don't know. I hope it fits. I really like this a lot. I would get a lot of wear out of this. So that's it. What was I was getting ready to tell you guys something else. I don't know what it was, but it'll come to me. You know me, I get a little chatty. So let's get to the try on. Let's start with this top. This top is pretty cute. It's very lightweight. As you can see, it's very thin. It is by Bobeau. It's called the Tanner Contrast Knit Top. I'm wearing a size small. It's a nice length. It's $50, 100% rayon, hand wash. But it's very pretty. It's a really nice top. It has this really neat detail here. It's like it's a stitching. It's not like just, I don't know what you call it, but it's stitched on. So it goes all the way down the front. I mean, it feels nice. I like the length of it. I mean, it feels really good, but it's $50 for hand wash to take a chance with 100% rayon. I'm pretty sure rayon has a tendency to shrink. I've had that experience. This color is black, so it's pretty cute. I like the style of it, and it's just really light. So I'm gonna have to think about this one. Okay, let's talk about these shorts. All right, I like them a lot, but there are too, I'm just gonna put it out there, they're too short for me personally. They're by Tribal, They are the pink, they're pink. They are the Lola high waist pull-on short. You get some gapping. Let me do a front tuck here again. You get some gapping here. If they were a little longer, I don't know if I would really worry about that, but when I sit, they like shrink way up here. And that's just, it's just not comfortable for me. But I love the style if they were a little bit longer for me. The pockets, like I said, I would keep those stitched. They don't have any pockets in the back. I mean, overall, I mean, it's got the elastic up here is really wide, real wide. Let's see, these are, I'm wearing a size 8 and they fit me perfect. I'm a true 8 and they are $44. And I have to tell you something. I bought some underwear from the Nordstrom sale and I didn't have them on when I first tried these on, and I looked in the back and you can see all the panty lines. So I changed into my Nordstrom panties. I can't remember the name. I'll have to put them in the description down below if you guys are interested. And you don't see them. I mean, you see some up here, but that's just me. That's just my pudginess up there. It's just, you know, there's no way of getting around it unless I really shrink it in with some Spanx or something. But when I changed the underwear out, I was like, oh, that doesn't look so bad. So anyways, okay, let me try on something else. Let's start with this top. This is by Market and Spruce. It is called a Peasant top, and it must be on sale. It's $28.97. I don't think I've ever received anything on sale from Stitch Fix before that it was obvious. This is really cute. Peasant top, I'm guessing it's supposed to fit kind of full and loose. It's really pretty. Look at it's kind of like a yellowish white, or you know, kind of an off-white color, but it's really pretty. I forgot to look to see what the fabric is. Has the elastic around the hem, whatever, on the sleeve. Let's see. It's got the tie right here, and I don't know. It's nice. It's pretty long, but I'll show you the length after I show you the skirt. I am wearing a size small. It's nice, but I don't know if it really does anything. I don't think it flatters my shape or my skin tone. I don't know. I feel a little, I'm not feeling it. Let's just say that. And when I saw the price, I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna keep that if it fits. But it's warm. I did turn my AC off because it gets really noisy in this room. But I don't know, it's just, I mean, I like it. I'm just not, wow. Unless it ends up being a 5 for 5, but I don't think so because of the shorts. All right, let's talk about this skirt. Oh my gosh, I love this skirt. This is by Democracy. You know, you guys know I can't say it. Sometimes I can. I am wearing a size 8. It's $68 and I love it. Now, it is a tight skirt, but it's supposed to fit like that, an A-line skirt. And I love A-line skirts until I put weight on, but I love this skirt. It is a typical, like putting on a pair of jeans where it has the snap and the zipper. It's the Absolution. So it's got the stretch in the waistband, which I love. The pockets are a little different. This side is just a regular stitching on the seam, and it has the little coin pocket. This side over here actually has, well, you know what? I thought this frame was part of the detail on the outside, but I think it's just turned in where it needs to be steamed down. Yeah, and then it'll match. I thought it was like frayed, but either way, I don't care. I mean, I'll wear it out because I'm not gonna get my iron out for this skirt. It does have some distressing. The pockets are working pockets and they are deep. They are deep pockets. The hem is a raw hem, back pockets. Love this, love this skirt. tons of stretch, tons and tons of stretch. That's the one thing I forgot to tell you about the shorts. They had a lot of stretch in them also. This has a lot of stretch, and I think it'll stretch out a little bit the more that I wear it. They tell you the price is $68. I'm keeping the skirt. I love denim skirts because you can wear them, you can dress them up, dress them down. I love wearing denim skirts, and the ones that I have just don't fit anymore. So, all right, we have the dress left to try on. I was so excited about the skirt, I forgot to show you the top with it pulled all the way out. It's a little flowy, and it is, you can tell it's see-through. I'm sure you can see that. But it's, you know, I think it's pretty cute for the price, but I just know I won't reach for it. Okay, this is a nice, easy to wear shirt, or dress, I should say. It is a t-shirt dress by Market & Spruce. I'm wearing a size medium. It's $40. And yes, I have Spanx on. Yep, I have a pair of Spanx on. I kind of wish they went all the way up here, but I don't know. I think it's pretty cute. I like the color. They call it a red. It doesn't look red to me. It looks more between a red and an orange or a coral color. But I mean, it looks really nice. What do you guys think? I'm worried about this area back here. So I'll have to watch the video back to see how I feel about it. But this will be a nice, easy to wear dress. It has the little sleeves. I like to have some type of sleeve on my dresses. I'll tell you what, my stylist, she has done an amazing job with this box. She's really listening to my feedback, because now I know what I was going to tell you guys where I forgot. Remember I forgot? I'm like, oh, I hope I remember. I was going to tell you guys, they send you a preview. So you can pick 5 items, I think out of 10, for them to send to you. If you pick, only 2 or 3, the stylist will send you some other items. So what I did is I took a snapshot of the items, and then, because you can't put comments with each item. So what I did is at the end, I think I only picked 1 item actually. I don't remember what it was. And I put notes under about all the other items, why I rejected them, because I wanted her to know, so that she knew more of what I was looking for. And one of the things I mentioned was that I need some type of sleeve on the dresses. I don't want her to waste her time sending me things, and then it's like, oh, I don't like it, doesn't have any sleeves. So she's really listened. My stylist is great. She listens to what my feedback is. So, I'm debating about this because I have to wear Spanx, and the Spanx are pretty long. I mean, they go right to there, but I don't know. I really like it, and it's something that I could actually wear on vacation, and maybe even, actually, it might be the right color for our photos. I don't know. I have to think about that. Okay, I wanted to give you a recap real quick. Of all the items, the one that I'm definitely keeping is the skirt. I love, love, love this skirt, and it is $68. So this is a keeper. My entire box before any discounts is $230. If I keep all 5, I receive a $57.74 discount, which brings my total for all 4 items down to $173.23, which is really a good price for these 5 items. But if I keep the jeans and the dress, my total is $108. But here's the thing. My buy all, I just got billed for my $49 annual styling fee, and that $49 goes towards anything I purchase. I can use, it's good until it's gone. So if I keep all 5 and I also take the $49, because they'll automatically take the $49 off your next purchase, that brings my total for all 5 items down to $124.23. Normally I don't let the stitch fix math get to me, but if I keep 2 items and I spend $108, but if I keep all 5, it's actually going to cost me $124, which is only $16. So I would get all 3 of these items for $16 if I decided to keep the dress, and of course I'm keeping the skirt. I'm just still on the fence about the dress. This top would be my next pick, and it's $50. So basically I'm getting the top for $16, and then I would just sell these or donate them. I don't know. I've never had this kind of dilemma with Stitch Fix math before, because usually it's like, $16. Nope, send these items back, keep the $16 in my account. That's how I see it. $16 is $16. I can take that money and donate it to somebody instead of having 3 items just sit in my closet. So that's the way my brain thinks. If I can keep $5 in my account, I'm going to keep $5 in my account, and then I'm going to put that to good use and either buy me a Starbucks coffee or donate it, or, spend it on something else, or just stash it away in my savings account. I don't know. Oh, so that's how I think. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think about this dress, especially if it should be a keeper. See, I can see this bulge up here, but you know what? Nobody's perfect. Oh, well, some of you are, let me say. I've seen some YouTubers out there that look pretty darn good. But you know what? I don't know. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.